Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 29th of August, 2023. I'm going to show you all, just from the chart, reasons to expect AMD to go down. All right. I'm not going to look at what somebody else tweeted, what someone else is saying, what some other video content is trying to pursue or try to get us to see. I'm just going to look at the chart and see what the majority of the market is saying about AMD. So let's go ahead and start. Okay. But first, check this out. I did a price prediction in AMD, right? Going all the way back here on the 22nd of August, I was bullish into the market in AMD, and it only came to like our first target right there on the 24th of August. And since then, price has gone down. The buyers, they did not have enough momentum to run into 115. You can see it, and that will happen, which is why I come through and I give you multiple targets so that you can at least profit in the market. Now, right there on the 24th, that would have only garnered us, what, 3.5%? Now check this out. Let's get to the reasons as to why AMD could continue to go lower. Now, I know many of you don't want to hear that. It is a very unpopular opinion to say that a stock price is going to go down. But you all got to realize it's the dynamic of the forces of the market. Everything doesn't go up into perpetuity. You will have gyrations and movements to where price will go down. So just relax. It's a part of life. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Here's one reason right here. This was a shift. The price action that occurred on the 24th of August actually tells you that the sellers who've been pushing down AMD's price all the way back here, look at all of these days that this trend has been established in AMD. This confirmed that they're still moving, that they're still running the market. Right there. That's one reason. Okay. Take a look at this on another reason. I want you all to see how the market is here, right? This is buyers. Now, this is going to be the last stronghold for the buyers. I'm going to tell you right now, this is it. The buyers has to hold price here. If they don't, the move in AMD will be pretty big. Maybe $95, maybe $90. From a weekly chart. Have you seen the weekly chart yet in AMD? Do you think the buyers are going to hold that? Don't forget all of this weight that is in the market right here in AMD pushing down. And you expect the market buyers to hold this little area right there after all of these people up here is trying to sell? Okay. Look, it's on the 2-day. This is indication that the sellers are still here, that 2-day price bar. Now, one good thing, like I told you, is that I do recognize buyers there, so I'm not crazy. This could actually go against the sellers and could actually stop AMD from going lower. Yes, right here, this 2-day price bar. Look at this on the 3 though. We have 8 hours and 52 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar, and I want you all to investigate this. Look at this. This 3-day price bar, look how wide the spread bar is, right? Compared to this one. But then you look at the volume. They're the same. This is where buyers are trying to stop the move lower. Will it be successful? Because like I said, if we follow trend, the market is definitely trending down right now. Will this be successful to stop it? Will it plug the move from going lower? Because this is weakness right there too. Another reason to expect AMD to go lower. Look, it's on the 5. In the next 8 hours and 51 minutes, if the market closes down here on the low of this 5-day price bar, we need to contemplate and figure out, okay, where's the next level? Where is it? Because I'm looking around like 93. Look at this on the weekly chart. Like, I'm not changing the markets. I'm just simply looking at different time frames. And these are all reasons to expect that the sellers are going to continue to push down this price in AMD. Look at this on the weekly. We even got an indicator of weakness triggered on the weekly time frame. Charts don't lie. You see what happened the last time it was triggered, right? What happened to the price? What is still going on? The market weakness is still present. That is what that weekly chart is representing. Here it is on the 2 weeks. All of this is weakness and selling. None of these 2 weekly price bars is indicative of buying, of strength, of market demand coming in. You're not seeing it on the 2 weekly chart. All of this has been opportunity for the market to come in and sell. And a lot of unsuspecting individuals came through and purchased AMD because they think that it's going to be like Nvidia. They think that it's going to participate in the AI race. Here it is on the 3. Okay. Take a look at AMD on the 5. 3 more days and 9 hours, and we already have an indicator of weakness triggered in AMD. Okay. So that's it. I am now going to put on a price prediction looking for AMD to continue its move lower. Now, can this go against me? Yes, I've already told you that buyers are here around $100 or so, maybe a little bit higher. But outside of that, the weakness into the market in AMD is still strong. Okay. So my first target, let me look at this, for AMD would be 100. Okay. Now let me zoom in and show you this, because we've already held $100. Okay. If I see it come back down to 100 and the market buyers still step in and they continually step in, then that's trying to be support there. Okay. So that's my first target, 2.47%. My second target, though, considering the weakness on the weekly time frame, will have to be around 93. Which is 9% move lower. Okay. So yeah, I'll just drop those 2 targets for the moment. So now, which one of these lines is going to break? This is where we can tell how weak the market is or how strong it is. I'm finished. Give me your thoughts though. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Don't make this thing hard nor complicated. Don't think about, oh, what does AMD has in store for the AI race? Are they creating a new chip, a new processor that is going to handle a lot of these AI models, these large language models? Don't think about the earnings. Don't think about the fundamentals. Think about what people are actually doing with their own cash. Are they buying? Are they selling? I would state that those forces are more important than news events, than earnings, than mergers, acquisitions, than what people expect AMD to do in the future. What we have now is more important. How many people are buying is more important than the earnings. How many people are selling the stock is more important than the earnings. Because those individuals won't press the buy button, they won't press the sell button unless they have some type of conviction that the market's going to go higher or lower. An individual's conviction, whether it's created or modeled by an AI, it's all geared on making money. That's it. However people come to that answer of whether or not a stock's going to go higher or lower is irrelevant. It doesn't matter. What matters is, okay, what do they do after they come to their conclusion? Are they buying or selling? That is what I focus on this particular channel. I focus on what the majority of the market is doing. Are they selling or buying? And we're at a crossroads now in AMD. I've already told you, we're at a point where buyers are trying to hold price, but there's a lot of weight of sellers pushing down. And hopefully those buyers have a lot of money, because those sellers are definitely selling in this time. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.